Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Don't be fooled by imitators out there. This channel features authentic New Orleans cooking and baking recipes, mostly from scratch. It also features product reviews, occasional holiday and announcement videos to keep you informed. My purpose is to help and inspire others to cook or bake while providing happiness, positivity, and inspiration through my cooking demonstrations. I love to see and hear the results of my recipes. It makes me feel good knowing that I've helped or inspired someone else through my cooking demonstrations. When you get a chance, take a tour of my channel. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I release a video once every 7 days. I have an official website for all of my recipes, www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. I hope you all enjoy my channel. Thank you and have a blessed day. Peace.